Preventative maintenance for your Florida home. Hi, I'm Lori Hendrix.
And I'm Carl Stratton.
We're with Dennis Property Management.
So there's three things we want to talk about with concerns to your Florida home in particular for the summertime. Right now we're in hurricane season, and what does that bring us? Rain and wind. So the first thing is your trees that are around your house and possibly touching your roof. You need to have your trees cut back at least 3 feet before the wind starts blowing, because what happens, Lori?
The branches will ruin your roof.
The winds blow and they basically bend your shingles and cause roof damage. So 3 to 10 feet, we really recommend cut them back as far as possible, because a lot of trees will grow during the growing season, which is summertime here. You know, a foot or two, depending on how big the tree is or what kind of tree it is. So that's number one. Second is
cleaning your gutters out.
Cleaning your gutters out. So gutters are overloaded gutters cause roof damage to your fascia. They overflow. They can rip off the roof, causing rot and problems with your roof. So this is the time of year the leaves aren't falling, but the gutters are full. So get those gutters cleaned out before the water starts gushing in. And third is getting your AC serviced. So those are the three things that you need to address, like right now if you haven't done it with your Florida home or rental home. And we're Dennis Property Management. Please feel free to give us a call with any questions.